So, you're thinking about a pool fence in Melbourne? Let's break down the must-know safety rules and style options.
Let's dive right in. An unprotected pool is a huge risk, especially for kids and pets. And, this isn't just a friendly suggestion. In Melbourne, it's actually the law. The people in charge are the Victorian Building Authority, or VBA. They set the standards.
And this is the specific rulebook your fence has to follow. No getting around it.
So, what's the first big rule? Height. Your fence has got to be at least 1.2 meters high.
Beyond that, gates need to close and latch by themselves. And absolutely nothing to climb on.
Okay, now that we've got the rules sorted, let's talk about making it look great. The two big ones are glass for that sleek, modern look, and aluminum for a practical, durable choice.
Of course, you've also got other great options like tough steel or custom blade fencing.
And really, a quality fence is more than just a safety feature. It's a smart investment.
It seriously boosts your home's value and, of course, gives you total peace of mind.
So, what's the actual installation process like? Well, it's designed to be super smooth.
It all starts with a free quote, moves to a custom design, and ends with a pro install. And get this, most jobs are completely finished in just 1 to 3 days. Pretty quick.
Working with experts who guarantee it's all up to code is just a huge relief.
At the end of the day, a safe, stylish fence is one of the best upgrades you can make.